Introducing the E88 Pro RC Drone, a cutting-edge and waterproof aerial companion designed for both kids and adults. Equipped with a powerful 4 Pro dual camera that rotates and captures stunning HD wide-angle FPV live video, this drone ensures a captivating flying experience. Sporting a sleek grey exterior, the E88 boasts impressive specifications, including a 2.4 GHz frequency, 4-channel, and 816 coreless motor. Its 3.7 Vs 1800 mAh lithium battery provides a 15-minute flight time, while the 100-minute charging time ensures minimal downtime. With a remote control distance of 211, the E88 offers versatile flight capabilities featuring functions such as up-down, forward-back, left-right side fly, 3-level flight speed, LED light, headless mode, 1-key auto return, altitude hold mode, Wi-Fi FPV trajectory flight, and camera hado. The drone's compact size of 25.3 cm arms, not folded, and 12.5 cm double arms, folded adds to its portability. The package includes the drone, remote control, 3 batteries, a screwdriver, USB charging cable, user manual, protective covers, and spare propellers, making the E88 Pro RC Drone a complete and versatile aerial